Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you all having a fantastic time. It's Raphael here, back again. And in today's video, I want to go over a few of our partners' results because we have 2 more partners who just passed the Ftmo challenge, and I think 2 or 3 are just like a few $100s just before passing with our Gtfx-Optimizer.Ai trading engine, our fully automated trading algorithm, which just makes money on autopilot. Let me show you real quick the results. In our Genius AI Investor Circle Discord group, we got Ahmed Salah, who just passed his Ftmo challenge here. Congratulations to you, Ahmed. Fantastic job. And we have another one, Makusa, who passed his Ftmo challenge as well. So you see all this green trades. Yeah, this is what you get on fully autopilot trading. Yeah, it's amazing. We have some German people in here, some English people in here. It's a mix of everything. We got a translation bot inside this channel as well. And yeah, let me show you real quick how easy it is, because some people, they might think like, oh my god, a trading engine, how complicated it will be. I cannot do this. I'm not so talented with the computers and all that stuff. Guys, it's very simple. There are 5 files that you need to install with a double click, okay? And as soon as it's installed, all we need to do is upload our parameters. We have all these strategies prepared, okay? So you just double click one of those strategies and then you press play here on top, okay? And then the system loads and that's it. A few mouse clicks. I think everybody can do that. And you got 7 days to test our software for free, okay? 7 days, you're gonna get the installation files. We're gonna send you some strategies so you can run some back tests. We give you access to our online course where you learn about all the functions that we implemented. It's quite a lot, around more than 80 functions we've integrated here. And you're gonna learn everything about it, okay? And then we show you exactly how you can use that software to trade your own capital and to trade proprietary capital with Ftmo, for example. And yeah, this is what you can do, guys. 7 days for free. Check the links in the description down below. Check it out, it's worth a shot. So if you see this, make sure to check it out. And if you're from the United States, because I know a lot of my partners and a lot of my followers from YouTube are from the United States, we are working on a TradingView solution. At this moment, we have the code already. We just need to test it. So it will be ready to go within the next 7 days, around 7 to 14 days, I would say. We just need to finish our last tests. We've translated all that code now for the TradingView platform, so that you guys from the US can trade with our trading engine as well, with our Gtfx-Optimizer.Ai trading engine. So that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna go play some bowling now. We already had some golf today, so I was on a golf course today, and now I'm visiting my dad and my sister. We're gonna go bowling and have a good evening, you know. Yeah, that's it for today. Gold is still running, and it's still got a long way to go until we hit the profit target. I will just do what I normally do, guys. I just keep on waiting. That's all I'm doing lately. I just let the machine do the work and I can focus on other stuff that makes fun, you know. Yeah, that's it. All right, wish you a lovely day, guys. Take care. Peace.